Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change currency on Skrill account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Skrill application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Skrill if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here we have the add, transfer and exchange. And at the bottom, we have about 5 tabs. We have the home, the card, the crypto tab, sports, and the rewards tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change currency on Skrill account. So to change currency on the Skrill account, follow these steps. Go to the Skrill website or open the Skrill mobile app, as I told you in the start of the video, and then navigate to the exchange section. So as you can see, which is here. Now, choose the currency you want to go and change to. So basically, you have the currencies, which one you of course want to change to and into which one you want to change to. Specify the amount you want to convert. Review the details and confirm the transaction. This will create a secondary balance in the new currency. You can hold multiple balances in different currencies. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.